Okay, there was quite a few times in U.S. history that the government gave land to or sold land to the people. And here we have title transfer. Yeah, kind of gives you an idea of how often it went on. You can see it goes, it's quite a list. And say your family was farmers, miners, or just land speculators. This is a very good website to try out. Never hurts to try. And you might need to know a little bit about plotting uh, on a map. Here in Wikipedia, we got the principal meridian map. You can kind of get an idea that way where the land was at. But on this BLM website, they divide it into counties, which you won't need this very often. You will need to kind of know how to read the description. Here we've got a description. Let me load this file. Okay. It's only 9 pages long. Download it for your own use. Now here's the principal meridian lines and baselines. And they're divided into range lines that go north-south, township, east-west. And the township and ranges are divided into 6 square miles, starting top right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, down, left to right, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, on down to 36. Now you will use this quite a bit. Each one of these sections are divided into sections, and they're divided into quarters or even just halves. And then those quarters are divided into quarters. And this you might run into a little bit, but not on these old land patents. And it even goes down into lots. So let's go ahead and give this website a try. Searching land patents. Now, the basic is very easy to use. Whoops. Okay. This was a less common name. But let's say you had a very common name. This list would be way too big. You can come over here. And we can divide it down into maybe counties. And you can add first name if you want. I like searching for whole families. And you can use some of these other search by townships and ranges and meridians. Just depends on how far detailed you need to search it. Okay, now we're down to 2 Hewletts. I suspect they're brothers. But let's pay attention to Harrison here. Now you can see it was authorized April 24th, 1820, cash sales. So it's not like a homestead or land given to soldiers or anything like that. And here you get a description. That little PDF files goes into how to read these. What's way cool, you can actually view the original document. And this is just a little trophy you can add to your genealogy. I always like to keep them. Okay, I've already now let's go forward. I've already added both pieces of land. As you can see, it's the southeast quarter of the southeast quarter of Section 7, Township 51, Range 12. Principal meridian, the 5th principal meridian, Boone County. And the other one was just the southwest quarter of the southeast quarter. But let's put this into practice. Okay. Now it was Township 51 North, so it'd be just below this Randolph County, Boone County border. And it was Range 12 West, so it's to the right of this red line coming down. And it was Section 7. Okay, here's Section 7. Because of the curve of the Earth, it's not quite straight. But we know it was the southeast and southwest quarter of the southeast quarter. So here's southeast, look to the bottom and to the right of the 7. And it was the southwest and southeast quarter of that. So this little red line here, that was his property. So let's go back, maybe do a little search and try to find who he was living with, or his neighbors, in other words. Okay, it was Township 51 North. Range 12 West. Section 7. And we'll take out the name. We'll actually get everybody in Section 7. I think William P. was a brother-in-law. So that's useful. And the Brink, that's his wife's maiden name. So I've actually found some family here. Just a little search like that. Well, I hope you get some good out of this site, and enjoy.